Are you looking for a tool that gives you absolute control, even on the most challenging surfaces? In this video, we'll review the Maestro line with its unique fishtail shape. This series has everything you need for working with recesses. We use semi-gouges for perfect leveling of the surface, flat and shallow chisels, and the dovetail gouges are ideal for creating deep, smooth lines and a clean texture. The main advantage of the dovetail shape is that the blade widens only at the very edge. This gives you an absolutely incredible view thanks to the cutting edge. You control every millimeter of the cut and can easily reach even the most hard-to-access corners, where a regular straight chisel or a classic gouge just won't fit. But most importantly, this is a fully forged tool. This is 5 millimeters of solid U8 grade tool steel, perfectly hardened to 60 to 62 HRC. It holds its sharpness perfectly, even during intensive work with hardwoods. The ergonomic handles are made from strong oak. They fit perfectly in your hand, providing comfortable, smooth, and extremely precise work without unnecessary fatigue. Each chisel is crafted and finished by hand by our masters to achieve perfect sharpness. You take the tool out of the box and it's already ready to use. This line features a variety of profiles in different sizes that cover absolutely every stage of your work. Experience true creative freedom. Follow the link below the video and get your perfect dovetail chisel from the Maestro line.